Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Ravi Turkmane, from Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Ichalkaranji, Kolhapur. Today, we are going to learn about the introduction to files in a Python. How to files using in your Python. That is, in this section of notes, you will learn how to read from and write to text file. See here what you need in order to read information from a file. First, open the file and associate the file with file variable. Okay, the three steps is given here. What you need in order to read information from a file. What type of order you follow to read something from file. What is the first step? That is open the file and associate the file with a file variable. Second step, a command to read the information, and third step, a command to close the file. That is, every file if you want sorry, every step if you want to read something from a file, that is a first step, that is open the file and associate the file with file variable. Second step, that is a command to read the information, and third, that is a command to close the file. See where one by one we will see. First, that is a opening a file. In opening a file, prepares the file for reading. First part, that for this, link the file variable with the physical file. Link your particular file variable with the physical file. References to the file variable are references to the physical file. That means first step, every file need, if you want to some read from something file, first that is open file, and opening a file, first operation, that is a prepare the file for the reading purpose, and again for reading purpose that file, the two steps follow. First step, that is a link the file variable with the physical file. You can create one variable and that file variable link with for your physical file. That is a references to the file variable or references to the physical file. Second, that is a position the file pointer at the start of the file. Second step, position the file pointer. Whatever your position file pointer at the start of the file. That is a format given, that is a syntax. File variable equals to open file name comma mode, that is a R mode. R mode, that is for reading mode. In file have read mode, write mode, read write mode, write read mode, and execute mode. Just like in C programming. What happens C programming? Read write execute mode available. Same mode available in Python also, read write execute. Here syntax for opening a file or reading a file, that is a file variable equals to open file name read mode. Example, constant file name input file, whatever your input file equals to open file name, that is a data.txt and R. Or you can define also in this way, variable file name enter by the user at the runtime, then file name equals to input, enter the name of input file equals to open file name comma R. That means you can both the option use. You can assign a constant name of your file, that is using syntax input file equal to open data.txt R. Also you can use variable file name, that is a variable file name equals to entering by user at the runtime, and the user can the runtime enter the file name and data can be read or store from that particular file. Syntax for that variable file name equal to input, enter name of input file name equal to open file name comma R. What is the variable name you defining? Put here file name comma R. What is the difference between these two cases? First case you can define constant name data.txt file name, and second name you can enter from the variable file name, that means you can take the file name from the user at the runtime. See here, positioning the file pointer. How to file pointer positioning? Letter.txt, one file available here. That letter.txt available character A, B, C, B, and colon. And how to that is a position file pointer will be changed. First, that is a position on file pointer, that is A. After that jump to the B, then jump to the C, then jump to the B, and finally again jump to the B and colon. That means reverse of this positioning of the order, that is A, B, C, B, 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 and finally colon. Then second step, that is a reading information from file. How to read information? First that is a only opening a file. In opening a file, how to open that file. Second thing, that is a reading information from file. What are the steps follows for reading information from the files? Typically, reading is done within a body of a loop. See carefully. Typically, reading is done within the body of loop. Each execution of the loop will read a line from file into a string. Format given here, that is a what is a format given, that is a reading information from a particular file. For variable to store string in name of a file variable, and finally do something with the string read from file. What is the example? For line in input file, print line, that means echo file content back on screen. Okay, that means your this second point given, reading information from file. Reading information from file, that is for given format given here, for variable to store a string in and file name variable, whatever your file name variable given in, and do operation whatever you want. Example given for line, that is called as your variable to store a string in as a variable, that is format variable, and input file, that is for your file variable, name of file variable, and something do something here, that is a print line. Then third step, that is a closing the file. Although a file is automatically closed when your program ends, it is still a good style to explicitly close your file as soon as the program is done with it. What if the program encounters a runtime error and crashes before it reaches the end? The input file may remain locked and inaccessible state because it is still open. That is a format given, name of file variable dot close. Example given, that is a input file dot close. See here how to close. If it is a mandatory, if you open any file, read data from that particular file or write data that particular file, after that you need to close off that file. That is a close syntax given here, that is a name of file variable name, whatever you are defining, name of file variable name using dot close function. That is a example given here, input file dot close. That may consider input file your file name dot close that particular file. Then reading from files, putting it all together. That means open a file, then reading a file, and finally close a file. Whatever you three statements see, putting in one file, that is the name of the example, that is a grade1.py, that file, input file name, letter.text, and or gpa.text. See here example that three operations. First operation, what is first operation? That is opening a file. Second operation to reading a file, and third operation closing a file. See, input file name, input, enter name of a input file. That means you can enter input name from a execution time. Input file equal to open input file name comma R. That is a read mode for that particular. That means open a file and read. Here particular open, that is use operation used for opening a file. That is a file name, assign a input file name. Okay, and that input file name, that is for your execution time. That is a input, enter the name of input file. Finally print opening a file comma input a file, and for reading first open file, input given file name, and for reading purpose. For line in input file, sys.stdout.write line input file dot close. Whatever your name assign that file, that is a input file dot close, print completed reading of file input file. Okay, see example once again. First you define the dynamic file name, that is input file name equal to input, enter name of input file, that means user can define it in taking input file name from the execution type, that is run type. Then input file equals to open input file name comma r, then print opening a file input file name for reading. For line in input file sys.std out.write lines, you want to something using this command sys.std out.write, you want to something write that particular file, writing something, after that again input file close, you want to close and complete a reading of a file and input file. Now what you need to write information to a file, first we see the opening a file, second that is for a, if you want to first case we have seen reading some information from file, second that is a, what you need to write information to a file. First step that is a open the file and associative the file with the file variable, that is a file log for writing. Second step a command to write the informations, and third step a command to close the file. Same operation perform. First thing we are reading from file, three operation perform, open a file with associative array, then write then read something, and third step for your close file. Same available with the write also. If you want to write some information to a file, first step as it is, that is open a file with associative file names with file variable, that is file is log for writing, that means writing permission allow for that file. Second thing a command to write the information, and third a command to close the file. See here, format opening the file, first same format, that is the name of variable open, file name and w. See here, first reading a file only available read mode, that is r given there. Here only available the open that writing permission using of w, that means here define w. See here that w, why define w? Because you want to something write in this file. In earlier case what happened, only for you have permission with the read file. See here defining r mode, that is r mode what as you want to only reading, not write something. In this case you want to write something, that is for assigning w mode. Then example, that is a constant file name, output file equals to open gpa.text w, that is variable file name entered by the constant. Same here, whatever you are reading file, same assigning for here also, that is constant file name. If you want to define constant file name, defining output file equals to open gpa.text w. Here if you want to define runtime, output file name equal to input, enter the name of the output file to record the GPA, and finally output file name open output file name w. That means in first case what are difference between here given only syntax input file, here that is for your output file name, open both are same, file name and r mode there, here available for your w mode. These are difference between this reading and writing. Then writing to a file, again writing to a file, that is two step. You can use the write function in conjunction with file variable. You can use the write function in conjunction with a file variable. Note however that this function will only take a string parameters, everything else must be converted to this type first. Note that however this function will only take string parameter, everything else must be converted to this type first. That is a format available, output file dot write temp. Example, assume that temp contain a string of characters. Assume that temp contain a string character, that is a output file dot write. Okay, that means example of writing a format output file dot write. If you want to something, then use this command output file dot write temp, then output file dot write temp. See example of that all in one sheet, putting in all together, just like a reading, just like a writing to a files, name of a online example grade2.py, then input file letter.text sample output name, that is gp.text, input file name first, input, enter the name of the input, read grade form, output file name input, write name of the output file name. Again here combination of two files, reading and writing, that is both are combined, that is for your input and output. Then input file equal to open, input file R, output file equals to open, output file name W. Print opening file, input file name for reading, print opening file, output file for writing, and GPA equal to 0. Again continue that, writing to a file, putting all together. For line in a input file, see here basically is a difference. Here input file name variable use, and here output file. If when used for your input, only for you want to reading purpose, use for your input file name, and if you want to use for writing purpose, that time you use to that particular for output file name for writing purpose. Again input file name open, input file name, output file name open, output file name. See again continue examples. For line in input file, if line of 0 equal to a, GP equal to 4. Okay, then L if line of 0 p, GP equal to 3. L if line of 0, then we indice define C, GP equal to 2, line of 0. Then D, GPA 1. L if line of 0 equal to F, GPA 0. Else GPA equal to -1. Simply temporary one variable define string assign GPA. Then temp equal to temp plus, and print line 0 plus GPA out file dot temp. Then finally again close the both the file, that is input file dot close and output file close. Print completed reading of file input file name, and finally print completed to file. That means both are operation perform here. As for if you want to reading something, that type simply use for your input file name, and if you want to write something, that is simply for you write for output file name. Then next point, that is a reading from files commonly used algorithm. That is a what type of algorithm used for reading from file? That is a pseudocode. What is pseudocode? That is a read a line from a file as a string used for while string is not empty. That is a mandatory. Using while loop, string is not ever empty. Process the line, read another line from the file. Then file input for alternative implementation. What is the alternative implementation for that? Input file name equals to input, enter name of input file, open input file name R, print opening file, input file name for reading. Then line equal to input file dot read line, while line is not equal to string but the empty string. Then sys dot out write line equal to input file dot read line, and finally for input file dot close, print completed reading of files input file name. Then data processing files. How to data processing actually in this file? That is for file can be used to store complex data given that there is exist predefining format. That is correct. File can be used to store complex data given that there exists a predefined format. Format of the example input file employees.txt, that is a last name, then first name, occupation and income. See here example given, that is example program data processing.py. What you want? Input file name employee.txt, that is a file name employee.txt you define. For read mode, print reading from the input text for line in input, that is a first you want to display name, job, income. These are the entity variables, and defining line to split, that is a first name. See here last and first equals to name dot split last and first, and income equal to integer income to display, income equal to income plus bonus will be display, and finally print all to combine name, jobs, income, first name, last name and income. Finally completed reading file input text and input file close. Output display of this file, see here in right side top position, that is employee.text to display. Adam, that is a first name, then Lee, that is a last name, CAG, that is a for job profile, and 30,000, that is a here income plus of in this way to display. Again another example, Maurice here, there is a name, surname, then for there is a job, heroine and payment 0. Third example, Lee Brucey, there is a master, what is the job description, and finally 1 lakh, that is a for their salary income. That is display in this way only. Okay, see. Next one, error handling with exception. How to handle error handling with exception in a file? That is a exception are used to deal with the extraordinary errors. That is a exception ones. Typically, these are the fatal runtime error. That is, it crashes the some of the program. We will see later how to use exception handling in Python in next lecture. Here, see only the introduction of error handling with the exceptions in file. Example, trying to open non-existing file. That is a try and exception block are used. That is for try. Attempt is something where exception error may happen. Exception react to error, else what to do if no error is encountered. Finally, not always, action that must always be performed. Exception in a file. How to exception in a file? Name of the online example file exception.py. Input file name. Most of the previous input files can be used. Example input1.txt. How to exception and use in your file? That is, input file OK equal to false, while input file OK equals to false, try an exception block. Input file name equal to input, enter name of input file equal to open input file name r, except input of IO error, that is a print file input file could not be open, else opening a file input file, that means you put it just exception. What exception error you put it here? File input file could not be open. That means if file cannot be open, automatically to display that particular error to that particular file. Then print, else print opening file input file for reading, file input file OK equal to true, and finally for line input file sys.stdout.write, print completely reading of a file input file name, and finally input file.close, print close file input file name. File example 2 for exception handling. How to exception handling used for in file? Remember, this is only exception handling in file. How to use in file, not with your exception handling. So we will see in next lecture the detailing exception handling. It is only for how to use exception handling used in your file. Then still inside a body of the while loop. Finally, if input file OK equal to true, print successfully read information from file and input file name, else whatever the output remaining to display, unsuccessfully attempted to read information from file input file name. Exception handling, that is a keyboard input. Suppose name of the online example exception validation.py, input OK equal to false, try. What is a try? Num equal to input enter a number, num equal to float num, except value error cannot convert to a number, that is print non-numeric type enter percentage %num, else or are the part of a number, input OK equal to true, num equal to num multiply by 2 and print num. That is enter a number, output display as a 24. Okay. Another, that is a 24.6, that is the integer to float conversions. Okay, enter number you 12, output display as a 24. Enter number you 12.3, output display as your 24.6. And finally, enter the number James you would have matched to the exception. How to display non-numeric type enter James you would have matched, enter number 4 bar, that is a entering, display the errors. Now you should now know how to open a file reading, how to open a file for writing, the details of how information is read from and written to a file, how to close a file, and why it is good practice to do this explicitly, how to read from file or arbitrary size, data storage and processing using files and string functions, and finally how exception can be used in conjunction with file input and with invalid keyboard console input. That means you can also do from input and output from your files also. Thank you friends.